Welcome to Common Pitfalls. Oftentimes, when instructors are starting out, they're focused on the choreography and the details and nuances of the exercises. As you get more experience, though, you want to deepen your teaching skill, and one of the things that new instructors often miss is relating and understanding the Pilates principles and the philosophy. So, we feel very, very passionate about this at Personalized Pilates, and we make sure that our instructors, when they're going through our Balanced Body modules, get this information in Mat 1 module and in their Reformer 1 module. So they are seeing it at 2 different times. This is more often than a lot of different training programs. However, at the beginning stages of Mat 1 or Reformer 1, we understand that this is something that is a little heavy, and it's hard to really apply and understand how to integrate it into client sessions. So we have also chosen to include it in our P3 program as a review. And what we have heard is that oftentimes people are surprised at how much more information, more depth and understanding they get out of it when they hear it a 3rd time, or 4th or 5th. So we encourage you to go through and review the principles lecture and the movement principle exercises, and there's actually 2 of them because I'm going to give you a lot of extra bonuses in that area. So when you're working with this, you want to make sure that you integrate this and relate the philosophy and the principles into the exercises when you're actually teaching it to a client. So doing a Pilates lesson is not just about going through the choreography and performing the exercises correctly. It's about really understanding why you're doing what you're doing and how it's helping your body. All right, this goes a long way towards client retention, but it also goes a long way towards a client making progress. If they don't understand why they're doing what they're doing, they're going to have a harder time actually being motivated to do it or to care about it or put their full attention on it. So make sure as a new instructor that you go back over those principles and the philosophy and integrate that into your lessons. So this can be done in a variety of different ways, and we're going to talk about it more in the principles lecture. But just make sure you keep reviewing and going back to that as you teach and as you progress. I would say at least once a year, even as an experienced instructor, just as a touchstone to remind you what your base and foundation is all about. Because the principles and philosophy are really what makes Pilates different. The beautiful thing is with P3, you have lifetime access to all this information, so you can go over it as many times as you'd like.